Hello guys, in this video I'm going to read the best story for you. As you can see, the story name is There Will Come Soft Rains by Raw Bradbury. I thought I am pronounced Bradbury not correctly. So we can start the video or start the story. At the first paragraph of the story, the writer will write Earth has been destroyed by war and no one lives on it anymore. This is very difficult line to believe. Earth has been destroyed by war and no one lives on it anymore. The robot and the machines continue to function and serve human beings who have long ago died. So this is a very difficult story to believe. Let's jump to the next topic. What is great about it? The title is taken from a poem that describes how nature will continue. Its work long after humanity is gone. As you can see, we read half of the story. But in this story, so let's jump to the next topic. But in this story we see that nature plays a supporting role and the machines are the ones who have taken its place. Okay, I hope you understand it. This paragraph belongs to our future. Maybe yes or not. They continue their work without any human or natural assistance. This shows how technology has replaced nature in our lives and how it can both destroy us and carry on without humanity itself. I hope you understand this story. This story is very interesting or very horrible for some of the people. The next story is Orientation by Daniel Orozco. We will discuss this story in the next video. So I hope you enjoy this video or enjoy this story. See you in next video. Goodbye.